Welcome to another how-to video from eMechanic, and in this video I will be showing you how to remove your M57 engine diesel injectors. You would first need to remove the inlet manifold to gain access to the injectors. To prevent anything from falling to the engine, cut a cloth and cover the inlet manifold holes. First, remove the injector loom wirings using a 5mm socket to get them out your hands and to have a better working area. Now remove the plug connecting to the injectors. Using a 17mm spanner, remove the pipings. To remove the pipings, you will need to remove the piping connected to the injectors, as well as the one connected to the fuel rail. Once you have loosened the pipes, you can unscrew them with your hands. Now remove the return pipe, unclip the clips which holds the return pipe to the injector and pull it towards you. Using an 8mm socket, remove the injector holder from both the sides. They are not hard to remove, but you are working a very tight area, so make sure you are using a magnetic socket to avoid the nut from falling. Once you have removed the bolts, you'll need to first jimmy the injector till it can freely move and then pull it towards you. Thank you for watching. If you do like the video, please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.